Here's another one I got at Fanimation. This is I was told Harbor Breeze. Oh no, it's a childhood fan. We had one of these in our kitchen in one of the houses we lived in. And I remember it pretty well because, you know, it was in the kitchen. It's the same exact thing that was in there. But I'll turn that back on. Let's start with high. I mean, it's not a terrific air mover, but it does move some air. I feel a breeze out of it. Which is better than some fans. Medium. And low. Fan ain't too bad. I quite like it so far. Definitely is something different. It's Verde. Let's get the Verde finish there. And there's off. So with 4 blades it moves a little bit more air. Which this fan does have that option. But I put all 5 on it because that's how I remember this fan. Flush mounted. But yeah, there's the Verde Harbor Breeze fan. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.